Hi everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We are doing this little cute little mini. I'm going to do a flower pop. I think I'm going to use this, turn it like this. I've got my push pins in and my tape, and we're going to do some cool colors. These are pre-mixed hippie crafter paints. I'm actually going to lay down metallic copper gold, metallic gold, and I'm going to swipe with phthalo blue and cold gray. Let's get to it. Okay, we are going to scrape a little bit off of that plastic that I used to swipe on the bottom of the canvas. I'm trying to give this background just a little bit more character. You can see I'm letting it run in both directions, and these colors just pop together. They're absolutely stunning. Look at that. It is a busy background, so we want to keep the flower pop very simplistic. And again, remember, these ready-to-pour paints by Hippie Crafter are just amazing. You can see when I'm blowing how they stay very raised and they dry that way. So it gives the flowers so much depth when they dry and there's no cracking. It's just absolutely amazing. I love this flower. I love the gold and how it just has a little bit of that blue running through. And I do touch that up at the end, and I'm going to make the stem now, and I decide we've got to add maybe one about 3/4 down. You know, I do like symmetrical, as you all know, so we're going to add a couple using Puffy now. Puffy is going to give me a thinner stream when I'm blowing, and I'm blowing down and out, and then I decide to kind of bring it right down into the same stem and keep this very simplistic. Like I said, I am in love with this painting. Thank you so much to the client that purchased this the first day that I tried to sell this. I am so grateful. I hope you're watching this video. As I promised, it would be out very soon. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made this creation that's hanging in your home. Okay, we're going to go down and do a quick close-up on these wet results. Look how beautiful this is. It dried exactly the same. I'm going to show you the dried results here soon. Thank you to everyone that continues to support me on my journey with my flower pops. I am so, so grateful. Please like, subscribe, and shoot me a comment below and let me know what you think. Here are those dried results. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Till next time.